In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the name in Outlook Mail. This is useful if you've recently changed your name, want to update your professional display name, or simply need to correct how your name appears to email recipients. The process is straightforward and works across all Microsoft services, including Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type account.microsoft.com and press Enter. This will take you to the Microsoft account management page where you can control all your account settings. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter the email address associated with your Outlook account, then click Next. On the next screen, enter your password and click Sign In. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity through your phone or authenticator app. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at your Microsoft account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Your Info or locate your profile icon at the top of the page. Click on Your Info to access your personal information settings. On the Your Info page, you'll see your current name displayed along with other account details. Look for the Edit Name option and click on it. This will open a form where you can update your display name. In the form that appears, you'll see two fields, one for your first name and one for your last name. Click in the first name field and delete the current name, then type your new first name. Next, click in the last name field, delete the existing name, and enter your new last name. Double check both fields to make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted the way you want it to appear. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Microsoft will process your request and confirm that your name has been updated. Now here's something important to remember. Microsoft notes that it can take up to 24 hours for the name change to reflect across all services. This means your new name will gradually appear in Outlook Mail, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and other Microsoft applications. During this transition period, you might see your old name in some places and your new name in others, but everything will sync up within a day. After the 24-hour period, open Outlook Mail and send yourself a test email or check a sent message to confirm that your new name is displaying correctly to recipients. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name in Outlook Mail. The process is simple, secure, and ensures your display name is consistent across all Microsoft services. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.